Are you sure you packed everything? I'm sure, but I'm sleepy. Can we just camp here? Sure thing. Ah! Fizzy, what was that noise? I'll check. Oh, look! It's an owl! Bye, Mr. Owl! Hey, Fizzy! I still hear something. Me too. What is it? It's a hedgehog! And it has, Fizzy, what's that with it? It's a baby hedgehog, Phoebe! Oh, so cute! Let's go say hello! Hey, Papa Hedgehog! How are you? Oh no, Fizzy! He looks upset! Well, the baby doesn't look very well. We need a pet vet! Good idea, Phoebe. We need to help them, and quick! Time for some fizzy magic! Fizzy, whizzy, bobbity bop! So what is it, Fizzy? What's happened? I'm not sure just yet. But don't worry, Phoebe. We'll get to the bottom of it. Miss Hands, we need a hand.
Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Hands. Oh no, these lovely hedgehogs look so sad.
We need to help them! Fizzy! Alright, first up, a closer look. Alright. Yep, very interesting. Oh no! What is it? What do you see, Fizzy? Well, he seems to be covered in some strange green thing. Interesting. What about Papa? Let's see. Miss Hands?
Alright, Papa, hold nice and still. There you go, Fizzy. What do you think?
Yep, nothing at all. Yay! What next?
Let's check Papa Hedgehog's temperature. That could give us a clue.
Good thinking, Miss Hands.
Alright, here it goes.
Perfect. That's nice and steady. What about Baby?
Let's check Baby's heart rate. Awesome sauce.
Oh dear, that's a very fast heart rate. We need to try and calm him down. Sense your surroundings. Unicorns, rainbows, ooh, glitter. Now feel the sun on your spikes and feel the splash of the waves. Splash. Phoebe, you're not meant to actually splash them. Oops, sorry.
Wait, everyone look! The green, it's come off.
What is it?
It's moss.
Moss? Phoebe, I think I know what's happened, and I think I know how to help. Yay! What is it? This baby hedgehog was learning how to hibernate.
Oh, of course. Good job, Fizzy.
Hyperblatherate? Here, I'll show you. Fizzy, Hedgehog must have gotten confused learning how to keep nice and warm in the winter. Oh no! How can we help? Well, he needs to learn how to hibernate. But Fizzy, we don't know how. Exactly, Phoebe. It's important Papa Hedgehog teaches him how to hibernate safely. We could use the Pet Vet office instead of outside in the dark forest. You got it, Phoebe. Awesome sauce. This has been the best day ever. Come on, let's leave Papa Hedgehog to it. Great idea, Fizzy. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time. Come on, Papa Hedgehog, do your thing.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, go busy bye.